Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. If you are the beginner, this video is for you. We are going to see how to evaluate an expression in Emacs Lisp. There are many ways we can do that. I want to show you today how to do it using the mini buffer. Let's go. So, beta x eval-expression. So we can run eval-expression now, and in the mini buffer at the bottom, now we can evaluate expression. So for instance, we can sum 1 on 1 with writing this like that. We evaluate, and now we get the result in the echo area. And also we have a message that tells us that the default binding is meta escape colon. So if we do that, we are in the mini buffer, and we can write another expression, maybe 2 plus 2 return, and we get that result printed in the echo area. What's interesting is that when we use the mini buffer, the current buffer is the buffer where we are. So even if we are in the mini buffer, we are going to have not.l being the current buffer. So let's evaluate an expression and get the buffer name of the buffer we are in it. So we see this is not.l. So each time we do something, we evaluate an expression in the mini buffer, we can act on the direct buffer. For instance, we can insert not.l. And as we are doing this with the current buffer being not.l, this inserts that, as we can see in the buffer, not.l. Now let's open a new buffer that we call foo. And now if we do the same thing, so we go in the mini buffer, we evaluate, for instance, the buffer name, and we see that we get foo. And see if we want to insert something, so maybe we are going to insert foo. We get it inserted in the buffer foo. So I hope this is useful. See you in the next video.